Hello everyone, hope you all have a nice day. Let me introduce myself. I'm Sylvia Angelina Wijaya from Huang Company, which has a collaboration with a Korean company for 5 years. And now we are also collaboration with a company in Korean, make a healthy and nutrition milk. In this project, we have made milk with import banana from Korea. We are proud to introduce the new variant of our product. It's a Choco Delight, which now comes with a more delicious and a lot of nutrition. Every sip provides a high level of calcium and nutrition, combining health and delicious taste in the one perfect variant. And you taste innovation and nutrition combined harmoniously in the every glass. Especially, our company have a success in producing and marketing original Nana Flavor Delight, which received a good response from the market. And you can see here that we have a sales diagram for the last 3 months. You can see sales always increasing. And responding to this enthusiasm and as a part of our commitment to continue to innovate, we are presenting a new flavor variant. And we offer buy one get one free because our previous sales were successfully. Chocolate Nana Delight is made from quality milk and banana from Korean, has unique and delicious taste with a chocolate and banana. The cake is hygienically and is a practical to carry. Our Chocolate Nana Delight is an exclusive combination of premium quality milk and banana source, directly from salad farm and garden in Korea, with a production process to ensure quality is maintained. This Chocolate Nana Delight is the right choice to add to our daily nutrition. Chocolate Nana Delight is ready to accompany your various moments with a delicious and healthy natural goodness. The Chocolate Nana Delight is made from quality and banana from Korea. It has a high calcium, mineral, high vitamin B6, high fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. It's unique and delicious taste with the chocolate and banana. The Chocolate Nana Delight has a chocolate, has a choline, a caffeine, and many vitamins, such as vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Banana are good source of vitamin C, which are important for growth, development, and repair of all body tissue. Chocolate milk is high in protein and fat, which can help manage weight. The packaging is hygienically and practical to carry. The packaging is selected and placed so it is resistant to bacteria and make it easy to keep the product sterile. The product packaging process is filed in sterile condition and free from contaminants. Has a testing system to ensure product safety and hygienic, and has a certificate from ISO, or International Organization of Standardization, and KFDA, Korean Food and Drug Administration. The Chocolate Nana Delight is available in various places. It's $1 you can get this healthy milk. Very cheap, right? Easy payment. It's so easy to buy this healthy milk. You can use your cash, your debit, or your credit. And is it fine? Of course, this milk you can find is anywhere. It's a mini market, supermarket, and online store. You can find it. Cheap, healthy, and easy to find. It's really worth it, right? And if you buy this milk today, you can get one more free. What are you waiting for? Just buy one, you can get 2 healthy milk. And finally, I would like to say thank you for the attention and don't forget to try it.